Welcome back to Leetcode Daily. Today we are going to tackle Leetcode problem 241, different ways to add parentheses. This is a problem where we have to evaluate different ways to add parentheses to an arithmetic expression. I'll walk you through the problem step by step and we'll write an efficient solution in C++. Let's get started. So the problem statement is straightforward. You are given a string that represents a mathematical expression containing numbers and operators. And you need to return all the possible results from adding parentheses at different positions. For example, this is the expression 2 minus 1 minus 1. So you should add parentheses like the like the given solutions below it, which would result in different answers. The trick here is that there are multiple ways to add parentheses, as you can see, and each configuration gives a different result. So we have to evaluate them all. To solve this problem, we can use a divide and conquer approach. The idea is simple. Whenever we encounter an operator, we split the string into two parts, the left portion of the operator and the right portion of the operator, and calculate the results for each part recursively, and then combine the results based on the operator. Let's break it down into steps. So first, we initialize an empty vector result which will store all the different possible results after adding parentheses in various ways. Next, we now loop through each character in the string expression and the loop variable I goes from 0 to expression dot size minus 1. At each position, we extract the character C, which could be a number, an operator, or a part of number. Now, we check if the current character C is an operator, that is plus, minus, or multiplication, minus, or multiplication. So that we need to split the expression into two parts, the left part and the right part, that is before the operator and after the operator. Now these parts will be evaluated separately and the results will be combined using the operator. Now if this is true, if C is an operator, we need to split them into two parts, right? So let's name the first part left and we need to do it recursively. So I'll just copy and we need to pass everything before the position of the operator. Similarly, the other part is the right part and we need to pass everything after the position I, after the position of the operator. Now this part, vector int left, takes everything from beginning of the string up to but not including the operator at index I. And the right part similarly takes everything after the operator at index I. We call the function different ways to compute recursively on both left and right parts. This will compute all the possible results for the left and right expressions independently, with each result being stored in the vector left and right recursively. Now that we have the results for both left and right parts of the expression, we need to combine the results using the operator we encountered at I. So for this, since there are multiple permutations and combinations, we'll use two for loops to go through each possible combination. We use two nested loops. The outer loop goes through each result in left and the inner loop goes through each result in right, and we need to combine every pair. So now here we can use if else statement or the switch case. So using switch case, for character C case, when the operator is a positive operator, then we will just push back the result we get from adding the two expressions. and break. We'll just copy this one and paste. When the operator is negative, L minus R. When the operator is multiplication, L times R. Now everything is done. There's just one base case. For example, the string expression contains only one number and there is no operator. For example, string expression is equals to 5. Then all this work we have done is of no use, right? So we need to create the base case if the expression has no operator. Then what we'll do? So if result is empty, then we'll just push back what we are given in the string expression, right? And since result shows int, so we need to convert string to integer, sorry, of what we are given in the expression. And we'll just return result. Oh, right. Now let's see if this works. Oh, we did not. Everything here is inside the folder. We just made a mistake. Let's see if this works. Okay, so what's the matter? Oh, expression dot substring. Yep, this works. Let's submit it and yes, beats 100%. So this is the solution. We talk about the time complexity. This solution involves recursive splitting and combining results. So it has a time complexity of O of n times 2 to the power n, and where n is the expression dot size, n is the length of the string. The complexity arises because of each operator we are recursively solving two subproblems, combining them and involving multiple possible returns. And that's how we solve Leetcode problem 241, different ways to add parentheses. We use the recursive divide and conquer strategy to break the expression into smaller parts and calculate all the possible results. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more daily Leetcode solutions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.